Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to another Stamp Club reveal. They just are coming fast and furious this year. We're in June. And if you remember last month's original club, remember that one? And I gave you a little hint to what this one's might be. So I'm going to tell you this. I'm going to make this claim. This is probably the most needed stamp set in my collection. I really do think it is. And I didn't really realize it till I sat down to make the samples and I went, man, we can make these for lots of people. So I'll show you what it is without further ado. However, before I say without further ado, if you're interested in our stamp clubs, all the information is in the description below. It's a great time to join. We're getting right before all the good holiday stuff's going to start coming out. Just saying. Okay, ready to see it? I know you are. Here it is. This one is called All About Him. Now, y'all remember, last month I did all about her, and that's because last month was Mother's Day month. Well, this month is Father's Day month. And I should clarify something. We didn't do those stamps as a Mother's Day set or as a Father's Day set. We already have those in our collections. We did this as a nod to the mothers or the ladies and then the gentlemen in our lives, right? This set, guys, okay, first off, let's look at these big sentiments. You've got you're awesome. You're the best. You're a hero. Then I've heard you guys. You have asked me to do this for you, so we're doing it. To us and to me, because so many of you say, I need an individual card to send out, just from me. So to us and to me. And then look at all of these names that you have to put together. You've got Dad, Pop, Pa, and we did PA because some people are Papa. So two of those is Papa. And some people are Pa. And then you've got brother, daddy, father, friend, gramps, great, nephew, grand, pawpaw, uncle, step, son. So many masculine names. We wanted to make sure we covered just about every masculine name you could think of. Now you'll notice that Pops is not on here. There's no S on there. That's what Vince is called, Pops. It'd be easy enough to add an S. But we put as many as we could. Like if you have a Pop, you could do that one twice. If you have a Paw Dad, because I actually happen to have some relatives that have a Paw Dad, you could do half of this with Dad. Like there's so many things you can do, okay? Not to mention this great continuous stamp of houndstooth. Now, why'd I go with houndstooth? We have a lot of other kind of masculine things. We have cars, we have tools, we have all these other stamps in our line, but I didn't have kind of a masculine texture, and I really thought this would come in handy. And wait till you see how it's used on these cards. We did these samples for you. Okay, so we made samples. I'm gonna start with Shannon's because I think it's super cute. She came in and she was like, what am I gonna make a card for? And she's like, I know, I'll make one for my son. So she went to the man book. You guys know the Maymay man book, and she cut out a switch because her son plays Nintendo Switch all the time. And she put son, and on the inside, you're awesome to us. How cute is this? And look, she did the houndstooth in blue, added some red because that's the colors on the switch. And I love how she did this. It's so cute. She said, he's going to get a card just because. So that's Shannon's today. Then I've done a couple for you, okay? So the first one I made, I'm going to show you in order that I made them, is this guy. I love how this turned out. Again, I went to the man book from Mente, and I cut all of these pages out, or not pages, but all of these images out, and then I just stacked them on top of each other. And then on the inside, you'll see that I did, you're the best great granddad. I wanted you guys to see that you can use the words great, grand, and dad together. You can mix them up any way you want to. Now, if you'd like to see how this card was made, let me know and I'll do a video on that. It's really easy, but I really like how it turned out. And see how I used the houndstooth over here to kind of show on the front? I thought that would look really kind of cool. I love how it turned out. And then the third one in the last sample is this one. I love this one. So this card is using the God Bless America paper pack, and this is You're a Hero, Pawpaw. I love that. This is so perfect. Like, just if you have a veteran in your life or someone that you could give a card to with this kind of patriotic theme would be so cute. But I want to show you, this background is the houndstooth stamped in gray. I used Morning Mist from Versaclair to do this houndstooth, and I stamped it repeatedly to cover the whole page. So that's where my houndstooth came from. And then, of course, this came from the God Bless America paper pack. I love how this card turned out. So there are my 3 samples for you guys. Again, if you want to see these filmed, we can film them and show you, whichever one's interesting to you. Tell us in the comments below. But that is your June masculine set. I love it. I think about all the things we have in our collection already, like our new travel trailer and the car that goes with it. That would be so cute with this. Our car set, the wedding set that has kind of the tuxedo, the suit up set. There's so many sets you can use this with, not including all of those papers that we have that have all the masculine pieces. So it's going to be another one that you just keep on your desk. I just feel like it is. This is what I'm going to keep close to me because I always need these names for different cards. Now, as you know, we always have a giveaway in this video. So we have a winner from last month who won a $50 gift card. Their name will be in the description below. And if you would like to win a $50 gift card, all you need to do is make a project using this stamp set and put it in our customer gallery. And that's how you enter. Just take a photo, put it in the gallery, and you are entered to win. So I hope you'll do that. I love seeing what you guys do. You guys always blow me away with the designs and the things you come up with. So there you go, guys. Another great workhorse set for your stamp collection. You will use this one so much. We did this houndstooth in a very perfect stamp, like we made sure it stamped really well to show you guys that. But what I want to do is I want to do it distressed, and I think that'd be a fun one to do. So maybe I can do a video where I show you how I would kind of distress this, because I think it'd be so pretty if it wasn't perfect, if it looked kind of like an old tweed or like it had been worn or something. Anyway, just some ideas that are popping into my head. Hey, thanks so much for being part of our club. Thanks for being here today. And until next time, bye now.